This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook plantain fufu. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 3 to 4 ripe plantains, about 1 cup of cassava flour, 2 cups of water, and a pinch of salt. Ripe plantains provide a delightful natural sweetness. Cassava flour gives the fufu its signature stretchy texture. Water brings everything together, creating a smooth, cohesive dough, and a tiny bit of salt balances the flavors. Now, let us prepare the plantains. Begin by carefully peeling your ripe plantains, making sure to remove all the skin. Then, cut the peeled plantains into uniform 1-inch thick rounds. Place these pieces into a pot and cover them with water. Boil the plantain pieces until they become incredibly tender. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring they are soft enough for mashing easily later on. Next, we will mash and mix our fufu. After boiling, drain the cooked plantains thoroughly, removing all excess water. Transfer them to a sturdy bowl and begin mashing until you achieve a very smooth consistency with no lumps remaining. Gradually add the cassava flour, 1/4 cup at a time, along with small splashes of warm water. Mix continuously, kneading until a soft, pliable, and consistent dough forms. Now, it is time to cook the fufu dough. Place your prepared fufu dough into a medium-sized non-stick pot over medium heat. Using a strong wooden spoon, begin stirring the dough constantly. You will need to turn and knead the fufu against the sides of the pot as it cooks. Continue this process for approximately 8 to 10 minutes until the dough becomes very firm and smooth, forming a cohesive ball.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.